Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to change your foundation in safe simultaneous with the change of the your model in ETABS. Now I have this foundation that is designed and is belong to this structure in ETABS. Now I run analysis and see the reactions in the ETABS and safe. Okay, for example, for dead load and FZ, this is a 70 ton force, and now in the safe for dead above, this is 70. Okay, now I wanna change dead loads to, for example, 850 kilogram force per square meter. See, story joist 35, and then again run analysis. And see the reactions of that load, and now instead of 17 it is 19. But what about safe model? It is 70. Excuse me, it is 7. So how can I do? I wanna change the reactions of these joints, all of the joints. And what is the quick and fast way to change all of the reactions of the safe model? So I have a good solution for you. First, I export to safe all of the load case and combinations. Mass is not important. To, for example, this name, okay, and then I import to safe. This one, then I export joint load assignments to XML with the name, for example, joint loads. Save, and again open the main foundation file. Okay, in the interactive database I select this one and then select all of the loads, all of the cells of the table, and press delete K or delete, and delete all of them, and then apply to the model. Yes, done. Okay, I deleted all of the loads, and now the final step is to import new loads. This is joint loads XML. Done. I close this window and see this is 19 for FZ of that above. I check one earthquake load, for example EXP, that is for MZ EXP for MZ that is 21. This is 21. Pay attention that units are not the same. This is kilogram for centimeter, and this is ton force meter. That are the same. 21. And see all of the loads from new ETABS model are exported and imported to my safe model very fast and quickly. And now you can again analyze and design your safe model without need to change any of the properties of your safe and modeling your safe from the beginning. Thank you. If you like my video, please give me a beautiful like.